Hey guys, welcome back. This is Leena. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video we're going to talk about dry skin. I'm going to tell you everything about dry skin, how to cure it, and also a really quick face pack. So let's start. Dry skin usually happens because of your eating habits. It could also be hereditary because of your parents, and it could also be because of the climate. So you really need to eat well. You need to see what's the cause of your dry skin. Are you hydrated enough? Are you eating well? Are you drinking enough water? Or if you're too much in the air condition, also could be a reason why your skin becomes really dry. And also if you don't apply any moisturizer or oil or something for your skin, that could also be another reason. So all of us obviously know that oils lagao that's really good for your skin won't get too dry. But there are some oils that you don't really use like a moisturizer. I wouldn't recommend olive oil after you take a shower. I think I would recommend a coconut oil, which is really good. So once you've showered, you can just pat dry your skin. Don't rub your skin with the towel. Don't do that. Just take some coconut oil, just rub it onto your skin. It's really good. Or you can use a good moisturizer if you don't want to use oil. For me, Nivea cream lotion really works. It's really good work for my skin. So y'all can try different lotions or creams, see what works for you. I use the very dry one because my skin is really dry. So I'm taking care of my skin by applying that moisturizer. It works really well for me. Also try a lot of face packs. Face packs do help in calming your skin, also making it smooth, soft and less flaky and all of that. Of course there is that yogurt and besan ka face pack, which we all know. But if you want a really quick face pack that you can do and apply this every second day, it's really simple. This is the face pack for you guys. So for this, as I told you, we just need two things. I have some milk powder here. You can use yogurt also if you want, but I think milk powder works better. And this is honey. So milk powder, about 2 tablespoons of milk powder, a few drops of honey. I'm just going to mix it. So just very little water. Be very careful. Now mix this really well. So you'll get a thick paste like this. You could use milk also, but then it will be very flowy, so I'm not using that. You can use saffron also in this if you want to. I used to use it sometimes, but then I thought I wanted to make it really simple for you guys, so I just added honey and milk powder. But saffron is also really good for your skin, so y'all can do that as well. So now I'm just going to apply it onto my face. You can use a brush or just fingers, it's fine. Apply it, and you can also massage it really well. Let it stay for about 15 to 20 minutes if you have time. Do this every second day. You can do this every day also, there is no problem at all. So just apply it, let it stay for about 15 to 20 minutes if you have time, and then you rinse it off. So I'm going to apply my face pack now, and I will see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and please comment in the section below and let me know if these tips have worked for you. And follow me on Instagram. My Instagram account is Leena Official, and I will see you soon. Bye.